Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to customize date and time in your TECNO Pouvoir 4. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this TECNO Pouvoir 4 and you are confused how to customize date and time. In TECNO Pouvoir, it's really very easy and simple. You can easily customize date and time. In order to do that, you need to click in your device settings section. After click over there, just go all the way down and you're going to find here system. After click over there, you're going to see here date and time. After click over there, you can see a screen appear here. If you click here just now date and time, it is not appear. It's like invisible. If you make this automatic time zone off, and then also there is a not appear invisible. Let me also make this use local default. Also this is invisible. So what you have to do, you need to go here use network provider time, and then you need to click this off. After click this off, you're going to see a screen going to appear just like this. Here, if you want to set date, you can easily choose any date you want. And then if you want to set time, you can easily choose any time you want. And after that, if you click here OK, you can see just now I had set the time it's appear here. So what you have to do if you want to customize and date and time in your TECNO Pouvoir 4, you need to go in your device settings section and click here system date and time. First one, you need to off this use network provided times. You have to off this, and after that this is going to give you option to customize. But if you make this use network, there is no option to customize date and time. So this is how you can easily customize date and time in your TECNO Pouvoir 4. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.